Hello everyone, you're on the Stock Rat channel. If anyone doesn't know yet, this is a channel about binoculars, how to choose them or how to repair them yourself. In front of you is a binocular with a roof prism. For now, it doesn't really matter what kind of binoculars these are or what brand, and the main problem here is that the binoculars are giving double vision. Even though they're new, well, it happens that some budget binoculars, for example, like this one, which actually isn't that budget, it costs $200. This is the flagship SV Boni SA205. But apparently the quality control wasn't perfect. They let it through like that without fully checking it. It has a slight double image. It is not much, but if you carefully reposition the binoculars roughly 20 centimeters away from your eyes, you can see a doubled object. 90% of modern binoculars are Roof-Prism binoculars. And out of those 90%, I think another 90% have roughly the same basic method of conditional adjustment for your own eyes. That is, if you are the only one using the binoculars and it has fallen, or for example, you bought it like that and for various reasons can no longer return it to the store, you can try to repair the binoculars yourself at home, specifically by making a conditional adjustment for your own eyes. I spent a long time thinking about how to remove this rubber coating. Just take a look at what it looks like here, because I didn't want to cut it. And as it turned out, it's actually very easy to do. There's a slit right here. There's no need to cut anything here. It's already there. You just need to very carefully insert a flathead screwdriver right here, and then slowly peel it off. In these two specific places, the thick rubber coating is firmly glued down, and that is all you have to do. Yes. See? Everything is made very simple. In front of you are two halves of the binoculars, the right one from which I just removed the rubber coating and the left half. Here, I've already done a preliminary alignment. That is, I got to the adjustment screws, turned them a bit, and glued everything back together. Take a look here. This is what I created. And this is what is factory made. You see in this spot, it's factory foil. If you can say so, it's factory foil. Here too, I restored everything myself. As for this screw right here, I didn't touch it because I didn't need to. It wasn't necessary. Here in front of you are the old remnants of foil. Now I'll show you what was here. I'm going to carefully peel away the foil that I have only just finished putting on again. Here, in this spot, there was a white sealant like this. I don't have any white sealant, so I replaced it with black sealant. And in this spot, there's a screw. You just need to take a screwdriver. And for example, in this spot, gently loosen the adjustment screw just a little bit here, or perhaps over here, and then tighten it back up a bit. And then watch carefully. If you see that the resulting image is perfectly clear and entirely comfortable for your eyes and there is absolutely no double vision, then you can securely close everything back up into its original position. If the binoculars are either gas-filled or purged with nitrogen, well, ideally, you should apply a bit of sealant again and seal it up. I really doubt that anything could have come out of the binoculars here. And of course, through such tiny holes with almost undamaged sealant, no moisture should have gotten in here. Next, I take just a little bit, a very small amount, of sealant. I take a small thin piece of aluminum foil, just like this, and I carefully do everything exactly just like they do at the large manufacturing factory over in China. After that, I'll probably wait an hour for the sealant to dry, and then I'll put it back on the binoculars. Here's the rubber coating, just a bit in these spots. I'll apply some sealant and seal everything up. I'll do it just like it was before. So as you can see, I've already sealed the left half. The sealant has set. Now I'm starting on the right side. I'm telling you, there's really nothing particularly difficult about this at all. Now you can either just hold it like this with your hands, I do not know, maybe for about 10 minutes, or take a very thin wire and tie it up. And the sealant, once it dries, the rubberizing in some spots, right here where it's glued, will hold very well. Basically, I've shown you a complete tutorial on the conditional alignment by eye for your own needs of a binocular with a roof prism. As you saw, there is really nothing complicated at all. You just need a knife, a screwdriver, and any sealant. It doesn't have to be extremely strong. Well, and maybe, probably some kind of silicone will do. So nothing special, because here it just needs to be applied in spots. In some places the rubber coating is fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future content. And see you next time.